In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clickable phone number using the Wix website builder. This is perfect if you want visitors to easily contact you by phone directly from your website. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your Wix website editor. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. Once you're in, you'll want to focus on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you can access all the elements you can add to your website. Now click on the option that says Add Elements. This section is like your toolbox, offering numerous options you can use to build your site. Here, we're focusing on adding text. So go ahead and click on the text option. You'll see a variety of text template options. These template keys are pre-designed text pieces that you can use to make your website look more professional. Select the text template that you like. It could be something simple like a heading or subheading. After selecting your preferred text template, click on it again to make any necessary edits. You'll want this text to be the actual phone number that users can click on, so type in your number clearly. Double check to make sure there are no typos or mistakes, and that it includes the correct country code if necessary. Once your text is set, look at the options available while the text is still selected. You'll want to find the option labeled Link. Click on this. Linking is essential for making the phone number clickable, which is our main goal. After clicking on Link, you'll be presented with several link options. Choose phone number from this list. This is a crucial step because it sets up the number to be dialed automatically when someone clicks it. You'll be prompted to enter your number again here. Make sure it matches exactly, as this will be the number dialed when users click on it. Once you've verified everything is correct, go ahead and finalize your changes by clicking Done. Now, after configuring everything, it's a great idea to test it. Look for the preview button, usually located at the top right of the editor. Clicking on this lets you see your website as it would appear live, and you can test the functionality. Take a moment to click on the phone number in the preview. If everything was set up correctly, it should prompt you to make a call using your device's default phone app. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a clickable phone number on your Wix website, making it easier than ever for visitors to reach you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.